For the past 4 years, I've been living on Miami Beach, and I've had to drive to Deerfield Beach every single day. That's 5 days a week, 3 hours a day on I-95, and I can tell you that Florida has a lot of interesting drivers, many of those being those big truck drivers of commercial vehicles. So I've had a lot of clients come in and ask me, if I'm struck by a commercial truck, can I sue that trucking company? And the simple answer is yes, and in multiple different ways. You can either sue them because they are what's called vicariously liable, and that means two different things. One of which means you're an employee of that company, you're driving the vehicle to go do something in furtherance of the company's business practices, and you get into an accident. The other form of vicarious liability is if they own the truck, but you are an independent contractor. If you own a vehicle in Florida and you allow someone else to drive that vehicle, you are responsible for the negligence of that driver, regardless of whether or not that person is an employee or not. The other form of negligence that you can make a claim for is direct negligence, and this is a little bit different. This means that the trucking company was at fault in some way directly. For example, say the trucking company knew that the driver had a long-standing history of some bad driving, some prior accidents causing injuries while working in the work vehicle and driving their work vehicle. In that event, you may be able to sue them for negligent hiring and retention, which means that they knew that this person maybe wasn't the best driver, but they still kept him on and they still kept him in that position and in front of the wheel when maybe they shouldn't have. If you have any questions, please feel free to give us a call for a free consultation.